You eat a sandwich. Here is what Ozempic does to it. Ozempic acts on 4 organs at once: your gut, your stomach, your brain, and your pancreas. Most people only know about the appetite part. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you exactly what happens at each one. Let us start at the top of the journey. When you eat, special cells in your small intestine release a hormone called GLP-1. It tells your brain you are full. There is one problem with natural GLP-1. It only lasts 7 minutes. Your body breaks it down almost immediately. Ozempic is a copy of GLP-1, but scientists modified it so your body cannot break it down. Instead of 7 minutes, it lasts 7 days. 1 injection per week. Your GLP-1 levels stay elevated the entire time. Every cell that listens for the signal hears it constantly, and that signal travels everywhere to 3 other organs at the same time. Stop 2, the stomach. When you eat, your stomach normally empties in about 2 hours. On Ozempic, that doubles, sometimes triples. Food sits in your stomach longer. That is why small portions feel like full meals, and why you can go hours without thinking about food. In clinical trials, patients ate 20 to 30% fewer calories per day, without trying, without willpower, just because food was less interesting. Slow stomach, smaller meals, but the biggest effect is in your brain. Stop 3, the brain. Your brain has GLP-1 receptors too, concentrated in one specific region, the hypothalamus. This is your appetite control center, the part of your brain that decides when you are hungry. Ozempic turns down its volume, but it does not stop there. GLP-1 also acts on your reward circuits, the dopamine system, the part of your brain that makes food feel pleasurable. This is what patients call food noise disappearing. They do not just feel less hungry. Food becomes mentally less interesting. Brain imaging studies confirm it. Patients on Ozempic respond less to food cues. Their dopamine response to junk food gets blunted. Less hungry, less interested in food. 1 organ left. Stop 4, the pancreas. Your pancreas makes insulin. When you eat, sugar from your food triggers it. Ozempic makes this response more efficient and better timed. It also suppresses another hormone called glucagon, the one that raises your blood sugar. So less sugar coming in and less coming out. This is why Ozempic was originally a diabetes drug. The weight loss came as a bonus. Then doctors noticed it was a huge bonus. 4 organs, 1 molecule, all happening at the same time, every week for as long as you stay on the drug. Side effects come from the exact same mechanism, just dialed too high. The most common one is nausea, because your stomach is emptying so slowly. Food sitting there too long makes you queasy. That is why doctors start patients at a low dose and ramp up over months. Your body adjusts. Most side effects fade. Ozempic targets 1 receptor. The next generation of drugs targets more. Tirzepatide adds GIP, a 2nd receptor. Retatrutide adds glucagon, a 3rd. Each new receptor pulls in another body system. I broke down retatrutide in detail in another video. Link in the description. Subscribe for more science explainers like this. And as always, this is not medical advice. Talk to your doctor before starting any medication.